All right, so let's move on to now task 4, in which you will see the same scene. Here we go. So this task is the task of making predictions. So the competency that they want to check is that, are you able to make predictions? So prediction, you are given a preparation time of 30 seconds and recording time of 60 seconds. And the question is, in this picture, what do you think will most probably happen next? So these 5 words are the key words of this question.
Start speaking now.
What do you think will most probably happen next? So next happen. So you have already seen this picture before and you are very much familiar with this picture. Now we will say what will happen, what can happen. So now I'm going to tell you that you will be using the words of prediction. So you can say it may happen. So write down, my students, please write down. You can use the word may happen, will happen, can happen, there is a probability, there are chances. So these are the words that we are required to use in this question, because we have to express our probability of happening things here. So what we are going to use, the kind of words that we are going to use in this would be like will most probably happen, or you can say I predict, there are high chances of happening this, there is a great possibility of happening whatever. So these are the words that are required to be used. So if you look at the screen here, you can say, well, there are multiple things that will most probably happen in the next 5 minutes or so. So multiple things that can happen. You can start. The first thing I think that will happen is that the lady in the green t-shirt will, or you have to specify, I would recommend here that you use the same order of description that you used earlier in the question task number 3, where it was what is happening in the picture. So whatever order of, things happening there you mentioned, pick up the same order and with same specifications. You can say the first thing I think that will happen is that the lady in the green t-shirt will purchase the purple top. She would make the payment and then she would head towards marketplace outside. She would go out and maybe from there she'll go home. So it's just a prediction. You are thinking it may happen, it's not sure. So you have to make some guesses, some realistic guesses that this action will lead to what next. You can also say, I predict that the cashier might, after finishing with the customer, might go in the store to do other everyday operational things that she would otherwise do. Then you can say that it seems that the kids would continue to play with the toys for another next 5-6 minutes or till their parents call them to go with them. So you can use this because you have already mentioned what kids were doing. So pick up the same order and build a sentence on that. Then I'm saying the second thing that can happen next is that there are high chances for the man in a striped shirt to buy those shoes, 10 number shoes. I believe after COVID, he's looking for some new shoes and wants to enjoy that. And then I feel that the woman in her red shirt and black skirt is going to try another blouse. And if she likes it, she might buy it, or she may not. If she doesn't like it, she may not, buy it. I also see that there is a possibility of, the gentleman going upstairs to go onto the second floor to look for some stuff for himself. So further, maybe the person in the brown t-shirt shirt may, put back the extra shoes that he brought to show him back to the rack. So these are some things that may happen in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So what competency, what are they measuring? Can you do the predictions? And what are the prediction words? I have highlighted here in the green color, light green color. These are the words that they are expecting you to use. So again, it has 60 seconds to record, 30 seconds to prepare. So your preparation should be easier in this question because you're already familiar with the picture very much. And all you have to do is think about everything that you described happening, what would happen maybe after 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or 10 minutes or so. And you can use these words, going to, possibility of, would continue to, may do this. So that can be the language component of this task.